Understanding, on its last breath. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of a fascinating phrase, on its last breath. This expression is rich with imagery and emotion, and understanding it can add depth to your English comprehension and expression. So, let's explore together. The phrase, on its last breath, is used to describe something that is about to fail, expire, or come to an end. It's a metaphorical expression that draws a vivid picture of a person or thing in its final moments of life or existence. This phrase can be used in various contexts, ranging from the literal dying moments of a living being to the figurative nearing end of objects, institutions, projects, or even ideas. To fully grasp the usage of on its last breath, let's look at some examples in different contexts. In technology, my old laptop is on its last breath. It crashes frequently and can barely hold a charge. In business, the once thriving company is now on its last breath, struggling to stay afloat in the competitive market. In health, after fighting a long illness, the patient was on his last breath, surrounded by his loved ones. In relationships, their relationship was on its last breath, with both parties feeling disconnected and disinterested. These examples show how versatile the phrase is, applying to both tangible and intangible scenarios. Now that you've seen some examples, let's practice constructing sentences with on its last breath. Remember, the key is to convey the sense of something nearing its end, whether it's a physical object, a situation, or a concept. For a personal item, this old jacket of mine is on its last breath, but I can't seem to part with it because of all the memories attached. For a project or idea, our project was on its last breath after the funding got cut, but a last-minute investor saved the day. Feel free to pause the video here and try to create your own sentences using on its last breath. Understanding phrases like on its last breath not only enriches your vocabulary but also enhances your ability to express complex ideas and emotions in English. Whether it's a piece of technology, a business, or a personal relationship, this phrase allows you to convey the brink of cessation with poetic flair. We hope this video has illuminated this expression for you and that you'll feel confident using it in your conversations and writings. Don't forget to practice, and as always, happy learning!